Scan for SOVI, your AI bestie. I got your back. Calculus problems involving particle motion can be solved quickly by breaking them into 3 simple steps. Watch this breakdown to master these vector components right now. First, we differentiate the position equations with respect to time. The derivative of x is 2 cosine t, and the derivative of y is negative 1/2 sine of t over 2. Now substitute 2/3 pi into our derivatives. Cosine of 2/3 pi is negative 1/2 and sine of pi over 3 is root 3 over 2. This gives our velocity vector. Finally, look at the signs. Since x prime is negative, we move left. Since y prime is negative, we move down. Thus, the particle is moving down and to the left. Smart move. Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't ignore signs or flip derivatives. Always verify that both x prime and y prime are negative.